In this video, I'm going to explain the 3 to 5 candle system for a reversal using the 4-hour time frame. So if we just hide all of these drawings, we can see that the price came down and started coming up. Now, what would be the start of the count for my 3 to 5 candles for it to go up, counting on the pivot? Now, of course, once it starts curving up for a bounce or a pivot or a swing or whatever you want to call it, what we need to see at least 3 to 5 candles on the 4-hour time frame for it to be an official reversal. And here we can see the candles coming down. This is the peak. Now I'm using the candle body close, and then now it starts doing this number. Even though this is lower and this is higher, this for me personally would not be considered candle 1 because this is the actual point. Just to make it easier, if we change this to the line, and you come over here, the line, I have it starred, so it's up here. If we go to the line, you can see that this is the lowest point. So let's go back to the candles. So as it's coming down, now it's starting to come up. So this is the lowest point of the candle body close. Coming up, candle 1, candle 2 still has 20 minutes. And then of course, starting to come up. Then that would be the next candle. When we have 3 to 5, that shows that yes. So here we have this, then this would be the peak, 1, 2, 3. Now this is showing that possible, well, this is a reversal, official. Then 4, 5, now it's an official reversal for this peak. And then of course it starts coming down. This doesn't mean that it's automatically just gonna go up. This just means that this is the start of the reversal. And of course it came up, came down, started going sideways. We're losing strength. Now this would have been much better if the candles were smaller. That way gives it more room to grow. For example, these candles, this would have been better here because then now it would start going up, coming down, and then now we're just losing strength. This doesn't say that it is going to be a definite reversal and a game changer and just go up to the moon. This just means that this is the start. And of course, the more candles we have, the better it is. And then these candles would have been even better than this candle. And that's because they're smaller. So coming down, small candle, small candle, small candle. Now it's starting to grow strength. Here was a pretty nice move. Same thing here, came down. 1, 2, 3, the start. 4, 5, perfect. Now, of course, we still have other levels that we were looking for before it starts going up. Came down a little bit. Now it's coming up, breaking this level. This pretty much zone. And then it went up. So 3 to 5 candles, that's what I look for. So this is the peak. This is the very bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, and then started reversing, which is fine, and then started coming up, and then now it starts going to the upside. Now it could easily come down. This is just saying the start of the reversal. I do thank you so much. For more information on how to trade, make sure to tune in every single day at 12 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday, Saturday and Sunday at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. My goal is to make you money. I want to get rich with you and not because of you. Unlike every other group that's out there, they want to charge you first so they can show you what they know. The bad part about that is once you join the group, you realize they're posting chart after chart after chart, 10, 15, 20 charts a day. If they only did 10, that's 70 a week. In our VIP group, we post 1 to 3 charts a day. Max will be 5. This gives you a better opportunity to have a much easier choice when it comes to picking a trade. This is an example of how I post in the VIP group. I normally post with multiple time frames using top-down analysis, normally starting with the daily, 4-hour, 1-hour, 15-minute. And I show you exactly when to enter. Enter now. Add to entry on a 1-hour candle close above 1.74914. I give a breakdown of what happened on the chart already. In this example, it broke out of a trend line. It may pull back to the bottom of the yellow box for a retest and then bounce up. I give the market cap along with the categories. I show you the stop loss and the targets. And then sometimes I also post additional information. Keep a lookout for projects that are AI agents. Lots of buzz about this category. And then if there's additional information on the lower time frames, for example, this one, the 50-minute has a lot of selling pressure. Price may go down towards the 0.382 fib level and then bounce up. That way, if the price does come down, we're not freaking out, we're expecting it, and then, of course, we'll be looking for that bounce. And if the bounce doesn't happen, well, then we have our stop loss and we get stopped out. Getting stopped out and losing trades is part of the game. A lot of these groups, they don't like talking about it because they're so worried about selling you something that they just want to show you all the shiny wins and amazing profits. In this VIP group, we show you the reality of trading. Now, one of the questions I get asked the most is, what is the win to loss ratio for the VIP group? And honestly, that question is what I would have asked when I first started my crypto journey. The real question that needs to be asked is, on a trade, what risk are you taking? How much are you willing to lose per trade setup? Is it 5%, 20%? And how much are you willing to gain on that same setup? Because you could have targets very low, 8%, 12%, 20%, and those would be considered wins. So for that group, their wins would be more than their losses. However, when they lose, how much are they willing to lose? In our VIP group, we take risk management very seriously. The goal is to protect your money and provide proper setups to increase your success rate. For more information on how to join the group, send me a Telegram message at trade_intuition, and I will tell you exactly how our group works. We don't post 10, 15 charts like everybody else. Groups that do that, in my opinion, only wreck their members. When we post, we don't post buy the breakout, buy the retest, buy in this zone. We give you chart setups with the exact price to enter. In addition to that, we also update the group to move up your stop loss when the time is right, so that if we get stopped out, we're in profits. And sometimes we get stopped out plus 25%, plus 35, plus 50, while we're taking profits on the way up. There's market updates, detailed training videos. This group is unlike any other group you have ever joined. I guarantee it. Now, of course, never take my word for it. Don't trust anybody. Always verify. The Black Friday deal for the lifetime membership is still valid. For a short time only, you can get one payment with crypto for only $19.99. This is the absolute best value. You're going to be with me for at least 2 seasons. You're going to learn a whole bunch from the group, and you're going to have amazing setups provided to you. Once again, reach out to me on Telegram. Ask me questions about the group. Most groups, what they do is they want to sell you their group. For me, I have nothing to sell. This is an offer to you. If you like it, great. I provide all the information on my YouTube videos. I go live every single day. I show you my system works. I give you all of my tips and tricks so that you can apply them and make money before you even join the group. If you want to speed up the learning process, if you want to start making these massive gains sooner, then join today. Thank you so much. My name is Joe, and we'll see you on the next video. This is going to be an amazing bull run, and this is the opportunity to dominate this bull run. Let's make this money. Everything that I say is from experience. This is what's going to save you so much time, so much money, and so much effort. Do we win? Yes. Do we lose? Sometimes. That's part of the game. But what I do is I show you all this so that you can see, oh man, I lost today, but Joe said he lost too. So it's okay. That's what I want you to realize, guys. If you like the content that I provide, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel if you're not already, and leave me a comment in the comment box. And I'll see you on the next video. And as always, let's make this money.